Hi there, it's Maria from the Tarot Shop here, and this is a Lenormand deck by Lo Scarabeo. It's a medieval Lenormand. Within the book you get is with all of the Lo Scarabeo. They're in various languages, and you've got, yeah, this is the English part, and then it moves into, I'm not going to say because I don't know, English, Italian, Spanish, and Portuguese. So it tells you how to use the cards. You've got some little spreads, and then you've got the meaning for each of the cards. Okay, so let's have a look at the Medieval Lenormand. The backs all look very much like a shield. It's a larger card. Oh, quite a few of them are now. Good to shuffle, nice quality. I'll just show you. They're quite thick when they first start. Until they've been handled a few times, they tend to be a little bit stiff, but they are now. Okay, so let's have a look. Pansies as opposed to clover. Maybe clover wasn't around then. Was that the house? Yeah. Maybe clover wasn't. I love the fact that they've done this as well. So you've got the darker cloud and then the lighter cloud. The troubles are either coming or they're passing. Let me know what you think in the comments. Are you actually using Lenormand? Have you tried them? Sorry, I beg your pardon, 16. Have you tried them? And if you have, how are you getting on with them? It's a lovely little system, very direct though. They don't tend to beat about the bush. If you want me to go slower, you've got control in the settings. And then you've got the man and the lady. Lilies, sun, moon, key, fish, anchor and cross. Okay, so that's the Medieval Lenormand. Yep, let me know what you think in the comments, as I said, if you're using them or not. And thanks very much for your time. Bye-bye.